Ford publishes patent for multiple drones that could jump-start vehicles. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. A patent originally filed on April 12, 2017 by Ford Motor Company for multiple drones which could be used to jump-start future Ford vehicles has been published and assigned serial number 11614063, as reported by Ford Authority. Ford has filed several recent drone-related patents, including a jump-start system using drones to charge Ford vehicles, as well as external jump-start battery terminal hookups. Building upon these prior filings, the new patent details multiple drones for use in jump-starting future Ford vehicles with dead batteries. This new patent seeks to deploy the unmanned aircraft to assist motorists who are stranded with a dead battery and who may lack access to a jump cable or another vehicle. Ford vehicles would have the ability to transmit a jump-start request along with the vehicle's current location, which would be received by one or more drones. Upon navigating to the location, the drones would then open the hood, form a connection with the vehicle's battery, and provide a boost, allowing the motorist to continue their journey. This application of drone technology could prove especially beneficial for motorists traveling in more rural locations, where contact with other vehicles is less frequent.